What word? Wanted car. Green, vehicle. White. Blue, holy. Green, what word? Green, Volkswagen. Red, Ford, wanted car. Yellow, Fiat. White, Mitsubishi. Yellow, Skoda. Yellow, Skoda. White, Suzuki. White, Opel. White, Mercedes. Purple, Peugeot. Orange, Opel. Gray, Audi. Blue, Toyota. Blue, Toyota. Yellow, Trabant. Green, BMW. White, Trabant. Black, Alfa Romeo. White, Opel. Green, Daewoo. Gray, BMW. Beige, Fiat. Strawberry red Anya. Red, Skoda. Beige, Opel. Gray, Suzuki. Beige, Trabant. White, Daewoo. Blue, Ford. Red, Fiat. Green, Opel. White, BMW. Blue, Citroen. White, Opel. Red, Renault. Blue, Suzuki. Green, Opel. Gray, Renault. Gray, Mercedes. Red, Fiat. Brown, Opel. Gray, Citroen. Mahogany, Renault. Gray, Jeep. White, Daewoo. White, Daewoo. Beige, Skoda. Green, Opel. Red, Mercedes. Blue, Ford. Green, Volvo. Gray, Toyota. Blue, Ford. White, Opel. Green, Mitsubishi. Gray, Suzuki. Green, Toyota. Gray, Ford. Orange, Renault. Orange, Renault. Gray, Commas. Gray, Commas. Red, Fiat. White, Skoda. White, Ford. Gray, Ford. Blue, Volkswagen.
Everyday retail moves large and high-value products to bottom of the basket shrink. Lane Hawk from Datalogic puts an end to undetected items in the bottom of the basket. Here's how it works. Lane Hawk cameras are installed in each of the checkout lanes and networked to the POS system and use Apple visual pattern recognition software to dynamically scan the bottom of the basket in real time. Each time an item is detected, Lane Hawk alerts the POS system. When the cashier totals the sale, the POS system presents an image of the item with the appropriate SKU. The checker has the option to accept the item to the total, scan the item manually, or remove the item from the list. Lane Hawk reports what damage is ready for the cashier. Every Lane Hawk unit reports the items detected, items scanned by the cashier, and items provide precise data on the source of the item. Does not need to be brought to the police. Multiple items below the basket. Use the capture and item to detect the correct items per lane per day. Lane Hawk prevents this loss and generates revenue for a very fast ROI.
When I first turned on Lane Hawk and I started to see the test reports coming in, I was just really flabbergasted at how many times the system recognized
at your store. See us on the web at themarket.com.